is our curls. So this is oh what? I'll be curling it in two different ways. I'll be using the boiling method and the steaming method for each, and after we achieve, I'll be dipping them in water. Is it the boiling method or the steaming method? Let's test it out. This is 100% human hair. This is blended hair. So with the blended hair, we'll be doing the boiling method. This hair, we'll be doing the steaming method. Start with the steaming method. You just comb out your hair, and you'll be needing your flexi rod to achieve our curls. Using mousse to actually curl this hair. This is the mousse I have for now. And then comb it out. So I'll be wrapping this around the hair like this to secure the ends and comb make it look smooth. And now let the curls begin. This is what we have. Wait. Am I singing Rihanna? I'll comb it out. Water like this. I'll move my hand through it like that. Wet it. It looks so wet. I'll be doing the same curling pattern. Then I'll just wrap it around. Remember, we are boiling this, we are steaming this. For the steaming, I'll be using this round thing that is always in rice cooker, and for the boiling, I'll be using the normal saucepan. So I steamed and I boiled each for 3 hours. Like, yeah, I know, 3 hours. So I placed the boiling one underneath, and then I placed what I'll be using for the steaming on top of the saucepan, and then I just cover it. So after 3 hours, I came back and I took it out and then dry it out. Here we have it. This is very dried, and now we are going to unravel it and see how it turned out. Oh my god, this looks great, right? Now let's unravel the boiling one. Let's see how the boiling one turned out. Oh my god, this turned out really great. It looks amazing. Can you imagine? This is the steaming method and this is the boiling method. We are just going to undo the curls like this. I'm going to use my hands to just open it up like this. Okay, guys, I love the curls. I love these curls. I'm going to use this brush comb to comb it out and see. Okay, so here we have it. I think I love these curls. I really love these curls. It looks like it's going to last. Now let's go for the boiling method one. So I'm going to comb this one out. Wow, this is bouncy. This is bouncy. See how bouncy. This is our curls. So this is the curls that we have been able to achieve. This one we use the steaming method, and this one we use the boiling method. Oh my god, I want to keep it. I don't want to dip it, because if I dip it, and what if the curls spoiled? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Here's where you hold my hands. I mean very tightly, okay? We have our water here. Here's where we're going to do the testing, okay? Here's where we test which one holds best and which one will last longer. Which one will last longer. Oh. Maybe if I keep combing, it will kill the curl. Am I being am I being delusional right now? Like, from what I can say from this, yes, you can steam it and it will look great, but if you want it to last, I don't think it will. If you like swimming, if you love walking in the rain, your curls will be straight. When you use the steaming method, just don't swim and you'll be fine. Let's go for the boiling method. I think I have faith in this one. I could trust this, okay? I could trust this. I could bet. I could trust this. I could trust this. Okay? I could trust this. I think I could. I can. Okay. The boiling one, the curls don't just vanish. It won't be bouncy like you want them to be. It will be a bit curly. You still have curls in it, okay? But you have curls like wavy curls. Before you dip them in water or before they come in contact with water, it will be bouncy. But after it touches water, it becomes wavy. Am I making sense? With the two methods, which one really works well? I think the boiling method. You can do the steaming method. Don't let it get closer to water and you're fine. If you use the boiling method, you can go close to water, but not too close like that. I don't think any of this method really lasts longer. Maybe there's another method. So if you know that, leave that in the comment section. If you have anything that you want us to try, if it actually works, then leave that one too in the comment section and I'll try it for you. Leave your comment down below. Maybe I didn't do it right. Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I missed the step somewhere. And if I have to redo it again, guys, I will do it. Like, comment, and share. Oh, yeah. Subscribe, okay? I need your subscription.